unless he was trying to, maybe, because I'm telling you, there's fucking hydro road here. On that damn line.
Yes, we came up all the hydro roads, and we're going to tell you that because you're hydro security.
Anyway, nice enough guy. We get to go on this way.
I think we get to go on top of this. Yes, we do. We get to drive across the top of the dike. Woohoo!
No, we don't.
Oh! Is this literally as far as we can go then?
This is as far as we can go. So look on your map because you'll have to see if that other road curves around. Oh, well, no, actually, by our west.
There's no road that goes down, eh?
No.
Oh.
Oh, wait a minute, there is, buddy.
But I think
that's just down to the hut. Yeah, it just goes to that hut, doesn't go up the other side.
You can make it up that other side, I know you can.
I could probably make it up the dike, but...
So this is the farthest we can go. The road's been closed off, so we can't go any farther. Except if we go all the way down there to that little shack, that is technically the farthest on a road we can go.
And I couldn't get up that other side. It's fucking cliffs, man. I was looking at it. I could get to the cliffs, I'm pretty sure. But after that, yeah. Man, that's steep. First gear, that's running away. That's how I know I'm steep, when I start braking through the gear. So are we counting up or down on this one? We're counting down, aren't we? Because we're technically traveling east, which is getting us further from the west, right? So the lower that number is, that's the farthest east we go.
Yep.
This would be a freaky place to camp. That big fucking wall. Oh, I don't even know if I get any sleep, man. Because it is in, like, you know what I mean? It's in a little creek and shit, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh man, I need a picture of this. Check out what it says on the door. Only in a Jeep.
Ah, low battery. I gotta film this and then So we've gone down to the very end of the shack. Now we're gonna try heading back up this hill. But it's something you can only do in a Jeep, apparently.
That's what the sign said. And here we are. Thank God we brought a Jeep. We'd be down here in like a Ford or something.
Yes, we are looking straight up in the air. And if you get sick from this video, don't blame us.